gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah.
The Honor Magic 7 series, which just launched, is a camera-focused smartphone lineup. Today, I'll be sharing the unboxing and first impressions of the Honor Magic 7 series with you all. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications by hitting the bell icon to catch more awesome tech videos. All right, let's start with the unboxing of the Magic 7 Pro. Here's the box of the Honor Magic 7 Pro in black. Let's go ahead and remove the plastic from the box. On top of the box, there's the phone's branding in silver. As soon as we open the lid, we see the Honor Magic 7 Pro phone right on top. The phone feels a bit heavy. Inside the box, there are several accessories. A 100-watt power adapter with a Type-A output, a protective case, a data cable, and a user manual. Now, let's remove the plastic from the phone and talk about its design and build. The screen feels very smooth in good lighting, and you can see it has a micro-curved design on all four sides. The screen comes with a default curved protector, which is also micro-curved. The biggest benefit of this micro-curved display is a smooth experience when swiping from the top, bottom, left, or right. It feels very comfortable. The phone has a shiny frame with visible antenna lines. Looking at the placements, we find the SIM tray, primary microphone, Type-C port, and bottom speaker at the bottom. The phone has stereo speakers, and the back has a familiar design. This time, the back has a matte AG finish, and it's made of glass, giving it a nice feel to the touch. The camera module is circular, but the lens placement is different from other phones. Here, it's arranged in a square shape. The camera module's border is slightly raised, providing protection for the lenses. From the side, the camera module is a bit bulky due to the large camera sensors and the periscope lens on top. The phone weighs 227.2 grams, which is on the heavier side. The front and back have a hyperboloid design, so it has a good grip when held with one hand. The frame of the phone is flat, but you'll notice a slight curve at the edges. Now, this is the Honor Magic 7 standard version, which is completely different from the Pro. The standard version has a fully flat screen with only a slight curve at the edges, and also comes with a default screen protector. There's a center punch hole for the camera. The frame matches the back color and has a glossy finish. Looking at the back, the standard variant looks similar to the Pro, but it doesn't have a periscope lens, so the camera module is smaller. The phone weighs 203 grams, which is over 200 grams due to the use of glass and metal materials. So friends, let me know in the comments how you like the design of the Honor Magic 7 series. The phone runs on Magic OS 9, which is based on Android 15. You can see both screens here, but the Pro variant has an easily noticeable micro-curved screen. Both phones have actually narrow bezels, and all four sides have almost the same bezel size with relatively rounded corners. Talking about the cameras, both phones come with a triple camera setup. The Magic 7 Pro features a 200-megapixel periscope camera with a large 1.4-inch sensor, and it supports 100x digital zoom. You can check out some camera samples, and this time, there are many AI features added to the camera as well. We'll cover the full camera test in the detailed review video. The phone has both IP69 and IP68 ratings for water and dust resistance. Talking about the battery, the Magic 7 Pro has a 55850 mAh battery, while the Magic 7 has a 5650 mAh battery. Both phones support 100-watt wired charging and 80-watt wireless charging. In terms of performance, both phones run on the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor built on a 3nm platform. We'll cover the gaming and performance test in the detailed review video, which I'll upload in 2 days. As for the price, the Honor Magic 7 starts at 4,499 Chinese yuan in China, £485 in the UK, and $630 in the USA. The Honor Magic 7 Pro starts at 5,699 Chinese yuan for the base variant in China, £615 in the UK, and $797 in the USA. So friends, let me know in the comments how you like the design of the Honor Magic 7 series. So, what do you guys think about it? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below if you have any questions. Also, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next one.
Time in the work and the climb from the thirst, we will rise. I'm immersed in this life.
Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first.